Hey guys, it's Macy. I have been missing in action in this YouTube page for a year now, and while I am not really abandoning this page, and I am very grateful for all my dear subscribers, also I just wanted to take this opportunity to share that I have started a YouTube channel at youtube.com/mspire channel. And in there, I share content about my passion for digital planning, journaling, and tips on living a more intentional life. Because that's currently where I am in my journey. And so, if you're interested, you can give my new page a follow for more of that. And I will appreciate that so much. Also, because I think I'll find myself posting more content in there. Anyway, I do want to keep this page for future travel content, that's for sure. Although I am not doing much traveling these days, but I do have future travel content that I'll be posting here soon enough. So today, I just wanted to share a small piece of our beautiful weekend. Since moving back to Australia 4 months ago, I was so lucky to inherit this drone camera from my friend Ray. Thanks to her, I get to enjoy a different perspective of Wentworth Point. So our drone camera has been on standby for several months now because I was so afraid to fly it above the bay. But fortunately, my boyfriend is very tech savvy and the very patient and determined one who managed to fix some minor shaking and problems with this drone and learned and practiced flying it. We are starting to get the hang of using the drone, but this weekend was mainly just for practice. I hope we improve the more we take this baby out so we can shoot more beautiful content around Sydney for a start. So, welcome to the beautiful suburb of Wentworth Point, Sydney. Nestled along the Parramatta River, Wentworth Point is one of Sydney's quiet waterfront suburbs. Surrounded by parks, walking paths, and sweeping views of the water, it's a place where life seems to move at a gentler pace. You'll find locals walking their dogs during sunrise or even during sunset hour, cyclists following the riverside paths, families gathering in the parks, and rowers gliding across the water in the early morning light. Despite being just a short ferry ride from Sydney Olympic Park, Wentworth Point feels tucked away from the city's usual bustle. Modern apartments line the foreshore, while cafes, small eateries, and open green spaces create a relaxed neighborhood atmosphere. Whether you're watching the sunset over Homebush Bay or simply enjoying a quiet stroll along the promenade, it's the kind of place that reminds you to slow down and appreciate the ordinary. For me, Wentworth Point isn't just a suburb. It's a reminder that some of the best places aren't always the ones with the biggest attractions. Sometimes they're simply places that invite you to pause, breathe, and notice the beauty in everyday life.